Hello. Today I would like to share how the mathematics I have learned helped me build my own house and the benefits I gained from this construction project. In fact, I believe I believe that mathematics is not only relevant in the classroom but can also be applied in our daily lives, including in a big project like building a house. The first step I took when deciding to build my house was to plan the layout. This is where geometry knowledge was very useful. Once the house plan was ready, I began calculating the materials needed for construction. With the help of mathematics, I was able to calculate precisely the amount of materials such as cement, bricks, and wood required. This was crucial because it helped me avoid waste and minimize costs. I also used percentage to calculate the total cost of the construction. This helped me manage the budget and ensure the project didn't exceed the amount I had set aside. During the construction of the house, I also used mathematics for the structural calculation. For example, to build the roof, I needed to use trigonometry to calculate angle and the length of beam. Trigonometry helped me determine the correct angles to ensure that the roof wasn't too steep or too flat, and to make sure the structure was strong enough to withstand loads like heavy rain or snow. I use concepts like area and volume to make sure each space, such as the bedroom, living room, and kitchen, was spacious and comfortable. In addition, I also had to ensure that the angles in the house plan were correct so that the structure of the house would be strong. When the house was finally complete, I experienced the many benefits it brought. One of the greatest one of the greatest benefits was the freedom to live in a house that I designed and built myself. I was able to decide every detail of the house, from the size of the rooms to the design of the space. This gave me immense satisfaction. I also saved a lot of money that would have been paid to a contractor as I managed the construction myself. This allowed me to use that money for other important things. Additionally, building the house myself gave me the opportunity to learn more about planning and management. Overall, the mathematics I learned provided me with many benefits in building this house. The process not only taught me how to calculate and apply mathematics but also taught me the value of persistence and discipline. Every decision I made, from choosing building materials to setting the budget, involved careful thinking and in-depth mathematical analysis. Owning a home is a good investment from an economic standpoint. The value of a home typically appreciates over time, depending on its location and the property market condition. This means that when you buy a house, you're building an asset that can be sold or transferred for a profit in the future. A home can also generate income if rented out to tenants. That's how I use mathematics to build my house. I hope you can feel the satisfaction I gain from this project and how mathematics truly brings benefits to our everyday lives.